Hello, this is another video on locus, but this is a common geometrical problem to do. That is finding or constructing a perpendicular line, or perpendicular bisector, I should say. So here are 2 points, A and B, and you're asked to find the locus of points that are equal distance from them. Or in another example, you could have the line AB and you're asked to find the perpendicular bisector. It's exactly the same thing and the same problem to do. Now, this is high tariff for me because I don't have a compass or a pencil or anything like that. You just got to kind of like assume that when you do it, you'll do it better than I'm doing it now. So you find you get a compass and you put the point of your compass in point A and you construct a little arc like this. So you're making an arc that goes round like this, okay, around A. So that's a set radius from A, and then you do the same without moving your compass at B and make another arc that goes like that, okay? Excuse the fact it's not quite perfect. Now you'll find, provided you set your compass bigger than halfway, of course, that the two arcs meet at 2 points. And it's those 2 points that you're going to draw your line through. And there, wow, it's not bad actually for freehand. There is your perpendicular bisector. It's also the locus of all points that are equal distance between A and B. So if you take any one of these points on the line and measure that distance and that distance, you'd find it was the same. You could do that anywhere. That's the perpendicular bisector. I'm actually quite proud of that. Hope that was helpful as a technique, those 4 steps. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck with the question.